afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Tuesday, August 11th. We have a problem with our microphone. Not sure what the problem is. We've been trying to mess around with it. It's a relatively new computer. It just decided to stop working, I guess, over the weekend for whatever reason. But let's get to it. We had 3 trades, had 40% of each one, and we pulled out on a size-adjusted basis 15.6 pips. So let's get to it because there really wasn't much economic news. You probably heard by now that China devalued their currency. Why did they do that? Because their economy is coming to a grinding halt. Why is their economy coming to a grinding halt? Well, they're a direct recipient of the United States economy. The better we're doing here, the more we're going to consume, the more products that are made in China. Our consumption here is way off here in the States. It's finally catching up in China. Companies probably here in the States have a backlog. They do have a backlog of inventory. They need to wash through that inventory, so they're reducing new orders, and so China is starting to feel it. We've been saying it all along. We've been saying it for months. Economies around the world are not as good as central bankers and the Fed and governments want you to believe. It's obviously more proof to that fact. Matter of fact, and then this morning, another piece that came out, Goldman Sachs, they increased second quarter GDP estimates by 0.1%, but they said the third quarter is going to have more of a negative impact, so they lowered it by more than 0.1% in the third quarter. So net result was actually a negative GDP revision by Goldman Sachs, which is one of the best and largest firms on the street. So all that aside, let's get to our trades. Like I said, we had 3 trades, pulled out 15.6 pips on a size-adjusted basis. Had 40% of each one. The first one you're looking at here is a short in the Australian dollar Japanese yen. We were short 91.725, covered 91.652, picking up 7.3 pips or 2.9 on a size-adjusted. When we were short this, we were looking at this area here as an area of possible support. These whole tops are going to be a support area, and then even if it was to get through that, this whole congested area is going to be a support area, and that's exactly what happened for a while. But even for about an hour, and then once it broke through, it just ripped right down. So maybe you could say we left some on the table here, but I thought it was a good trade just because of this area of congestion. Second one was Euro US dollar. We were long this 1.09851, sold at 1.09957, picked up 10.6 pips, size adjusted 4.2. We were crazy about it. We were long 1.09851. You know our feelings on the figure. The figure basically 15 pips above from where we bought it, 1.1000. We got out ahead of that at 1.09957, picking up that 4.2 on the size adjusted. And that area did act as resistance for about 45 minutes or so, and then finally busted through it. And when it busted through it, it ran about 40 pips. And then you can see what it did here overnight. It pulled back and it started to rally again. Ultimately ran up about 85 pips. I actually got 100 pips from where we bought it. Did we leave some on the table? I guess. I still think it was a pretty decent trade to get out ahead of the figure. Maybe we could have pieced out, but again, we only had 40% of our normal size. Euro Aussie, the last one, we were long this 1.49013. This one, obviously, we left a lot on the table. Obviously, this thing just kept running. There was really no reason to get out. But we went long right at the figure, just above the figure. Again, psychologically, we don't like it. It ran in our favor over 20 pips. We grabbed it, selling out at 1.49226, 21.3 pips, size adjusted 8.5. Took the profits off the table. It looked like for a while there, for about an hour, it looked like we made the right move. I mean, yeah, it ran up to about 1.4945 or 50 area, but it did pull back, and it pulled right back to that figure, held that support, and then it was off to the races overnight and early this morning. So if you were in it, God bless it. If you held it, really, God bless you. You did really well. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. Hopefully we get this microphone fixed. I don't know what's going on, but we'll see. If you're waiting for signals of any come out, they'll be coming your way. If you're trading now, good luck. And assuming we get some action tonight or tomorrow, we'll be back with another video. Have a great rest of